Who is forcing Mangwabe to stay and Begezela? People are now getting tired of Mangwabe, guys, from season 1 to season 9. So anyway, guys, let's get to start off today. You know, the rest of the houses, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. So guys, when we were introduced to season 9 on the Turn Entertainment first episode, Mangwabe said to us the reason why she's still here, she wanted to prove a point to Maqele's family. You know, they were saying abahamba and we were okay, because on season 8 she told us that was her last season. When we saw her coming back, we didn't judge Mangwabe. We're like, you know what, girl, it's fine. We understand. The one thing about Umjolo, Umshato, guys, no one has a right to judge. Now, Mangwabe, guys, for those who don't know, we are only left with 2 episodes. Utanda's time was season 9. So on the trailer, we see Mangwabe having a conversation with her mom, and she's telling her mom, when it comes to my husband, things are not well. He has now turned into a monster. And people are asking themselves, who is the forcing Mangwabe to stay? Because we already accepted to Mangwabe Uyaham, and she's here, she's always blaming something, like she's not happy. If you are not happy, why don't you leave? So people are dragging Mangwabe, saying, we had enough of Mangwabe. Storyline is Mangwabe is no longer working, guys. We don't want to see Mangwabe on season 10, because always she's blaming everyone except herself. She needs to leave. She has nothing to lose. She has a 9 to 5. Her son is working. So what else she wants? Unless maybe something else we don't know. Maybe there's something that she's not telling us. So anyway, guys, let's